TechNiche International introduces a unique line of products that allows users to battle heat stress and heat fatigue during recreational or work activities of any kind. Our motto, keeping you comfortable at work, rest, or play. TechNiche's labs have designed and developed a unique fabric called Hyperkewl fabric that creates a water management system that absorbs water quickly and slowly evaporates it, keeping the user cool and dry for almost 8 hours. Activation of the garment takes 3 simple steps. 1. Soak the garment in water for 1 to 3 minutes, allowing the fabric to absorb the water. 2. Gently squeeze out the excess water and wipe dry. 3. Wear the garment and stay cool for hours while remaining dry due to our unique 3-layer material. Our Hyperkewl fabric helps to supercharge your body's natural cooling ability by putting a layer of water around you and evaporating it while you stay dry. Our Hyperkewl products can be used across a wide range of activities. Anywhere and anytime you are hot, we have a solution. Running, jogging, cycling in the city or in the mountains, soccer, golfing, horseback riding, tennis, motocross, motorcycling, along with many more activities, including construction and other types of outdoor work. All this thanks to 3 simple steps. 1. Soak the garment in water for 1 to 3 minutes, allowing the fabric to absorb the water. 2. Gently squeeze out the excess water and wipe dry. 3. Wear the garment and stay cool for hours while remaining dry due to our unique 3-layer material. And remember, TechNiche, keeping you comfortable at work, rest, or play.